Cesar, we have Anna Divine, past the begin, and audience is Dagaran Kid, My Sweet Leonora, Winning Habit, Presidential, and yes, why not, is the early trailer. Now we have Anna Divine by about 2 lengths, and in second is Dagaran Kid, My Sweet Leonora, and audience, and Winning Habit, Presidential, and a long way back to yes, why not, that's still Anna Divine by about 3 lengths, and in second is Dagaran Kid, My Sweet Leonora, the outside third. Alongside, moving up now is Presidential, Winning Habit, and yes, why not? This time, bunch of runners fighting it out for the lead. Dagaran Kid takes the lead. Down on the inside is Anna Divine. Presidential is on the outside third. My Sweet Leonora, Winning Habit, and yes, why not? Dagaran Kid followed by Anna Divine in second, and on the outside third, Presidential, and it's still Dagaran Kid. Anna Divine is running by the second. Presidential is on the outside third, but it's still Dagaran Kid followed by Anna Divine. Presidential is on the outside. Dagaran Kid still in front, followed by Anna Divine. Presidential, My Sweet Leonora. Dagaran Kid still in front by about 3 lengths, and in second is Presidential, My Sweet Leonora. And nearing the finish line, it's Dagaran Kid, Presidential, My Sweet Leonora, Winning Habit, Anna Divine, and yes, why not?
Alright, so dehado. Dagatan Kid. Dehado rin yung nasa